Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mean 40 channel. My name is Anita and today I'm answering a specific question from Anna. Thank you, Anna, for a skincare routine that would best benefit people with oily skin and enlarged pores. I think that you will see some changes by doing small things throughout the week. Each skin condition is based on trial and error of what skincare products will work, and bucketing them into skincare types is not something that I tend to do. So I try a wide range of products and see how they feel on my skin. So a lot of people who use mattifying products often complain that their skin feels like it's getting stripped away, they're stinging, and then in response to that, more oil production occurs and then the pores largen even more. So let's get rid of those practices that really try to strip away oils, and the products that I recommend are ones that I use on myself. Even when I recommend them to my sister who has oilier skin, she finds that they also work well and they target the specific skincare concerns that she has. Even before we get into skincare is limiting the sugar intake. So I did a separate video on what sugar does for our body and ultimately our skin. In order to feel good from the inside and out, I really recommend that you limit the amount of sugar. And if you are able to commit to that, then will you really see better benefits of the skincare steps. The nighttime skincare routine is essential for really balancing out the oil production in the skin. After doing this nighttime routine, you will find that when you wake up in the morning, your face does feel a little bit more balanced and not grimy at all. So for the daytime routine, I would keep it pretty simple in that you don't want to overdo it. If you try to overcompensate and dry out your face, then the body will signal it to just produce more oils. A simple toner pad and an AHA and BHA. So my favorite would be a COSRX brand for this, and COSRX has really good toner pads. This one being my favorite. I like the casing, so what I do is I transfer the pads into the old retro casing, but this is the One Step Original, and this one is the Cica, which is meant to soothe inflamed and sensitive skin. So depending where you are, how your skin feels, you can use one of these in the morning, and it's multi-purpose because it also exfoliates gently. And then afterwards an AHA and BHA. So this is the AHA from COSRX. The order would be the BHA first because it absorbs more deeper into the skin. It prevents things like blackheads and really unclogs the pores. And then the AHA will gently exfoliate the surface. And then afterwards, maybe do light makeup. Try not to overdo the makeup as well. Then I think your skin should feel a little bit more balanced throughout the day. Because you are using the chemical exfoliants, I would hold off on any vitamin C serums in the morning, just because the combination of AHA, BHA with vitamin C, even though there's no direct proof that they don't work well together, there's been enough talk that perhaps you would want to use the vitamin C serum later on once you get the oil balance under control and to your satisfaction. Or you can try using the vitamin C at nighttime. And finally, a lot of people with higher body temperatures will crave a cold drink first thing in the morning, especially in the summertime, but also in the wintertime. But I would advise that you try to do the opposite and go with a warm drink. My recommendation is a warm green tea. And green tea contains tannins, which are helpful as an astringent. So it would help balance out the oil production, and also ultimately you should see the benefits on your skin. Take a look at a refrigerator for your bathroom or your bedroom. I've done this. I took a look at what refrigerators are out there, and you just need a very small one. I found one on Kijiji for $30, and it was well worth it because I keep my soothing gel, I also keep my towels and my supplements. I also keep certain products like toning pads because when it's used when they're cool, it helps also soothe the face as well. So the benefits I find are double-fold when I use products out of the fridge. It also helps keep them fresh for longer, so it's another added benefit. So I hope viewers like Anna would have benefited from these tips, and leave me a comment as to whether you find it helps or not. Give it some time. Like I said, your skin is going through some changes and it needs some time to adapt. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I will see you in future videos.